it? Listen, please.
Don't say I'm troubling you. Please. I need you to come with me. So you believe everything I'm telling you. Please.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
He's alive. And he's at V's house. Please.
Benny, can you stop this? Why do you think you're the only one who is that affected? Why are you showing the world your weakness?
Can the world just believe me? Just this once. See, can you believe me? This once, I promise. I promise you. If you come with me to a house and he's not the person there, don't ever believe anything I tell you. Ever again. Please. Oh, please, just...
Let's assume you saw a ghost. Are you expecting me to see the same ghost with you?
It's not a ghost. It's not a ghost. Please. Please.
I was at V's house. I couldn't get in. I don't think she lives there anymore.
She lives there. I promise you. She does live there. Missy, please. I beg you. Missy, please. Help me. Please, please.
Oh,
you just help me. Please.
What are you doing?
Yeah, but now what do you all this ones now? Now what do you all this ones are there? When I go to do a bed, what do you all this ones?
Come this close, eh? If you come this close, I'll go slap you. You ain't mad? You ain't mad?
Are they mad?
Let her spit on me like that.
Are they mad, madam? Are they mad?
Then go to a psychiatric. What's wrong with this one?
Are they mad though?
Stop spitting on people here.
Spit.
Idiots.
No, I don't understand. What do you all this one, sir? I don't understand. What do you all this one? Eh?
So what do we call this?
She sees her husband in everything in my house. Why?
B, you and I know that Duke is in there.
There is no Duke in my house. There is no Duke in Fair.
I'm sorry, I think we can talk about this. Please.
There is nothing to talk about. She told me her husband died in Egypt and has been buried. I met my man in India and we've been together for 5 years. Benny, 5 years.
Sis, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Benny, let's go.
What?
Get out.
Don't do that. What are you saying, Bisi? You're trying to tell me I don't know my husband?
Listen, we can't come to somebody's house and be talking about a ghost. Please, let's go.
No, fine, we'll leave. First, let her call him out. If you see that the person that comes out isn't Duke, I promise I will leave.
Benny,
I just told you something, Bisi. Is it that you're not listening to
Benny,
me?
can you just get
fine.
out of my house?
Let's go outside.
Now.
Come.
Get out.
I am not lying to you.
sorry,
Duke is in there.
There's no Duke in my house. I have DK and you.
Huh?
I don't ever want to see this element in my house.
Yes, ma'am.
Else you lose your job.
Sorry, ma'am.
Stupid.
This is so embarrassing.
My husband is in there with her. Come on.
Babe, you know what? If you stop thinking too much about him, his ghost will stop coming to you.
It's not his ghost.
Benny.
Come on. Take a good look at me. Do I look like a child? Are you telling me that I can't even recognize my husband when I see him?
Benny, please, let's go. Let's just go. Let's just go, please.
Ain't going nowhere with you.
You know what? I'm out of this place, okay?
Fine.
To leave.
Please, B. Let me just talk to him. I beg you. Please.
Fine. Since you've decided to disgrace me in my own house, I'll treat you like a total stranger.
V. V.
Who be that again? Wetin dey happen for you?
Perhaps she disappeared from one of the psychiatric hospitals.
I am not.
You are mad, Benny. Are you
Madam.
not mad?
You have to come with us.
No, I am not mad. Listen, V, please, I am begging you. Don't do this.
Are you hear that? That is how they talk. Exactly how they behave. You are mad.
V, you know I am not mad.
Take her away.
Don't touch me.
Please be gentle.
If I am mad, I am not mad.
Can you come with us?
Can you not touch me? V, what you thinking? Can you go now? V, you know I am. You know me.
Let's move. Let's.
Don't, I'm walking, don't touch me. I am not mad. This is not fair to me. What V is doing is not right. Don't touch me!
Hello? I think Benny needs help. I think she needs help. Can you imagine Benny went to her friend's house and said she saw Duke? She has put herself in a state whereby she sees his ghost every day. You need to come and see her. You need to come and see her. Things have gone out of hand.
I just want you to answer these questions so we'll know how to help you. When did it start?
I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay. When was the last place you stayed for?
I am not mad. I just want to go home. I have to leave this place. I just want to go. Are you?
Where is she?
I've put her in her place.
And what do you think?
What do you mean by what do I think?
I mean, is she going to come back again?
No. I just said I put her in her place. Hey, there's nothing to worry about. Absolutely. Okay? Come here.
Benny really needs help. I need to find a way to help her.
She has been taken to where she's ought to be.
Where exactly?
She's making troubles.
Fine, but where is she right now?
The government has taken care of her. At least, there she won't be seeing ghosts anymore. She's in a psychiatric home.
V, how could you? How could you do that?
How could I? I did what I should have done long ago. Now let me ask you, do you really care so much about her? Or you just want to see her go stark naked on the street before you realize her case is severe? You see?
How could you do that? How could you? What have you done to her?
She needs serious attention, and we have started already.
Busy. Tell them I'm not mad. I saw Duke in that house. He looked lost, but he was there.
Sir, please, can I take her with me? Our family can continue from where you stopped.
You know it's not possible. We can't. There was a family when she was going to the house, attacking them. This kind of case cannot be left behind like that.
Busy. You need to help me. Please. That's all I ask. Just help me. If you go to that house and you don't see him there, then you can just forget about me. You don't have to come for me again. But please just do me this last favor. Go there and check. I promise you. Please, Busy. Please. Help me.
tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
About what?
Where did you bury my cousin Duke?
Oh, you see, you are going to make me cry again. Why are you doing this to me? I just want to forget about Duke for now. Why you... Oh.
Listen, we have a very serious situation at hand. Yes, we have a very serious situation at hand.
What is it?
His wife. She said she saw him somewhere.
What? Where?
Exactly. She said she saw him at her friend's house.
That's not possible. I watched them bury Duke. So what are you saying? Oh, Bisi, why are you doing this to me? Why do you keep reminding me of something I've forgotten?
Who do I believe now? Eh? Who do I believe now?
Bisi, please, I have a lot of work in my table. I have to return now, please. See you. Yeah, Kilo, what's up? Kilo, there's a problem. Kilo, there's a problem. I think Duke is dead. Damn.
So, babe, the wedding planner said we can come today at 2 p.m.
We can't go. I will be going to the spa by 2.
Okay, fine. If you want us to...
Let me just get in and change into something better. Hmm?
Then we'll go.
You couldn't have taken her there.
Excuse me? So you want me to allow her hurt my men and I? Are you okay?
Your man?
Please shut it. I do not have time for this. Okay? Since you know where she is, you can just go right there and pamper her. Do whatever you want with her. Just get out. V. Just get out. Oh my God.
Hey, babe.
I'm tired.
Why?
Oh, babe, can we just leave this later, please?
Don't worry. I'll drive.
No, please, later. I'm tired.
What happened? Huh? What happened?
Babe, I'm tired. I can do this later.
What? You are alive?
What?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? How can't this whole silly drama end?
Do you remember me? I'm Bisi, your cousin.
Oh, he is not your cousin, girl.
I was at the airport with Brown when you were flown to Egypt.
My man has never been to Egypt before. Right.
Okay, fine. Do you remember this, when we used to do this?
Oh, can you just... Enough.
We always did
Get
that.
out. Get out. Get out with your madness right now. Get out with your madness. Get out. Enough of this madness. Get out. Get out. Bring this rubbish. Bring it. Get out of my house. Get out.
Stop talking! What happened between you and Duke? Where did you take him to?
Where is? Egypt, of course.
You did not take him to Egypt. You did not!
Oh, come on, now we're going to start talking about how the surgery did not work. Can you stop this now? You're making me... stop reminding me of all these things now.
If you took him to Egypt, how then did he end up in India? How?
What?
Exactly.
India?
Let me tell you. Let this better not be true. Let this better not be true. Let it not be true. Else you will not like what is coming to you. Do you understand me? I'm so sorry I didn't believe you. Duke is the one in that house.
What happened?
I think we need to prove to that woman that the man in that house is Duke.
How do we do that?
I think we need to get some roses. Rose petals.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I know, I'm so sorry.
Benny, enough of this madness. You two have entertained us enough. Get out.
Duke, I know deep down that you know who we are. You remember when we used to do this? And the phone calls?
That's enough. Right? Get out. You shenanigans.
You once said, you give me roses because our love was like roses. Do you remember?
Benny, enough of this madness. I've had enough of it. You two has entertained us very well. Now get out.
No,
Leave.
No, that's my husband seated right there. And I'll not leave here without him.
He doesn't know you. You are lying. Just get out.
He knows me.
Stop
That's my husband.
He is not your husband.
He is my husband.
He is not your husband.
He is my husband.
He is my man. I have some mad women in my house. They are after my life. And you should come. Just come. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't you remember our cock dance?
Yes.
We used to do it when Mo Salah scores for Liverpool.
Yes. Do you remember
something?
Do you remember? You say you remember.
We go win now. We go win now. Hey! Oh my God. Go! 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 Oh! Oh my God! The winning team!
What's funny now? What's funny now?
Oh my God, let's watch. Hey, no.
I don't like it.
I'm winning you. Okay. Hey.
Yes!
Just the thing. Chilling. No, you first. No, see, take it slow now.
Okay,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
back.
7.
You understand?
Okay, like
Bum,
that,
bum,
like that.
Bum, 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 bum. Then, bum, 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 bum.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We must go front, back.
Back, and then clap,
clap.
and then like this, like that. Achichilimba, achichilimba.
Do you understand?
Yeah, okay. Yes, Mosala, you remember this? Yes. He remembers. He remembers. You remember this? He remembers. Oh my God.
If you don't sleep left right now, I'll make you sleep more than that. Get out! All of you! Get out! Get out! Rubbish! Get out!
For this. We will surely pay for this. Come get us out. We need to go to the police.
So, please, do I look mad to you? Do I? Please, I need to get out of this place. That lady, she's about to marry my husband. Come on, please.
That was how one of you was shouting at me the other time, asking me to go home and feed our children. That will make you feel better, right?
No, not that again. Please don't do that. Please don't do it.
She's not mad.
Say that again.
She's not mad. Her husband is my cousin.
I think you need this more. You need this more. So
Don't. I love you. Me more.
Brown, what do we do now?
Bro, if he reconciles with himself, we're in trouble.
Really big trouble, my brother. Man, we need to save ourselves from this mess, bro. I'm not ready to go to jail. We need to find a lasting solution to this.
We can't do this now. We can't.
Then when? We need to find a lasting solution to this.
We can't do it now.
What about tomorrow? Brown, we have to take this very serious.
Are you okay?
Oh.
Are you okay? Busy. How long are we going to stay here? I'm really scared. These men, they might just hurt us.
Calm down. We will get out of this alive.
How? Alive, you say? Tell me. Alive? And crazy? Or alive and healthy? Which one? Listen, Missy. These injections, they make me feel really, really dizzy. They make my head twirl. I feel so tired.
Calm down. Calm down. We'll be fine.
I feel really tired, Missy. So tired.
Hi, babe. Maduke. Ricky, Ricky.
Well.
Hmm?
Well. Benny.
Benny?
Benny! Benny.
Babe.
Where is Benny?
There's no Benny here. It's just you and I. I'm V. Babe. Are you okay?
Who is she?
I don't know.
Where is she?
There's no Benny. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let's go up. Alright? There's no Benny. Right. There's no Benny anywhere in this world. I love you. Babe.
Yeah.
I am so scared. I don't want to lose you. Are we fine? Let's go.
Come on.
That you are dead.
Mama, I'm not dead, I am alive.
Your friend told us that you didn't make it after the surgery. He said that the Egyptian government refused him from taking your corpse. And that is the reason he buried you there. Hey!
Mama, by the special grace of God, I'm alive. I'm not dead. Meanwhile, where is Brown?
I haven't set my eyes on him since then. Where is Benita, your wife?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know. The last time she came to this place, she was looking like a mad woman. She has gone through a lot.
Mama, did Brown bring anything to you?
Brown?
Yes.
No. Did you give him anything to give me?
So, Brown did not give you anything?
Not at all.
Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Babe.
Brown. Where is Brown?
Who is Brown?
Brown. I am looking for Brown.
Anyway, I am going for morning work. Remember to lock the front door, okay? Kiss, kiss.
Brown.
Say it.
Did you see Brown?
Yara, lock the gate!
Calm down now. What is it now? I think there's a CCTV camera there. So guy, bro, we need to do this job right away.
Bro, you don't have to mess this plan.
Calm down. Let's have a constructive plan. There's nothing to plan. Let's go.
Wait. Take it easy, bro.
Ready for this?
How do you do your job? having two beautiful women here. I mean, you can help the two of us. I'm sure that would be so fun.
You're right.
Yeah.
Oh, be so fun.
Oh!
No, I don't think he's at home. Oh, did you see anybody upstairs? I didn't see anybody. You know what? Let's start it back here, please. Okay, hurry up.
We are the agents.
I ask again, who are you two?
We are the agents.
What agent?
We are the one negotiating the purchase of this house. I called you yesterday on phone, ma.
Oh, yes.
Purchase of my house?
Yes.
Young man, this house is not for sale. And you didn't call me.
Ma, please just calm down. We can talk this out, okay?
Leave my house with whatever nonsense you have to say. Now. Calm down. Yarrow! Hey, don't come close.
Just,
I am live on TikTok. Just.
wait.
Hey, people! I have armed robbers in my house! They want to kidnap me! Yarrow! Yarrow! Yarrow!
Madam!
Yarrow! Yarrow!
Hey! Madam!
My friend, did you lock the gate?
No, madam. Madam, I don't lock am. Madam, I dey so. Oh, Chineke, my.
Did you lock the gate?
Madam, I don't know, say don't come on, no first. I don't know where you take come on.
Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid? Did I not tell you to lock the gate? Where's my husband?
Husband?
Yes.
I don't know where you take come on, no. Madam, I don't know where you take come on.
You don't know where my husband left?
I don't know.
You're stupid.
Madam, I beg. Madam, I go die, oh. Hey.
won't touch you? I'm so scared.
Who are you?
She didn't say that.
I said, who are you?
Babe, you are joking, right? Stop it. Babe!
Let's go.
I am falling.
Oh, baby. Yeah. This is our wedding picture. Remember it, right?
Yes.
Our wedding portrait. Remember us, right?
Wow. This is me.
Yes, and you, baby.
This is nonsense. What do you think? This is nonsense.
Are you okay? Are you fine?
Babe, are you fine?
Is it?
Babe, can you just get out? Get you water. Are you fine? Okay. Maria?
Who are you?
What?
What's happening here?
Babe, I met you in hospital in India. You were clean and homeless. I took you in. Love found us. Came down here together and you asked me to marry you.
Babe.
TK.
Babe, what is she talking about?
It doesn't matter.
Babe, listen. Duke, this is your wife.
Yes.
This is Benny, your wife.
Babe, remember me?
How did I get here?
You know what? None of this matters. Let's just go home.
What is going on?
Don't worry
Babe,
about
listen.
it.
Don't pay attention to
You
her.
stay out! Who are you?
TK, babe, you asked me to marry you. We've been in this together for 5 good years. 5 good years of my life and I'm not letting her win over. Here's mine. Get out of my house, alright?
I missed you so much.
You get out! Get out of my house! Benny, get out! TK, don't do this to me. You can leave me. No.
Stop this!
Okay, you know what? Let's just go get your bags, okay? Busy?
If you move an inch, you see the demon in me. Well, I just teased her. Told her I'm carrying your child.
Really? You just wanted to tease me? Well, you failed. Baby, let's go. Yeah, let's go home. It's okay.